In October 2017, the Special Organized Crime Unit, SOCU, charged the bank's directors with contempt based on the advice of the Chambers of the Director of Public Prosecutions, DPP. The directors were charged over their alleged refusal to provide information to the court about the movement of $500 million in the account of the Ghana Rice Development Board as part of a probe by SOCU. Today, Chief Magistrate Anne McLennan said that, in her opinion, the directors should not have been charged since the court had already granted them more time to provide the information. These directors include Chairman Robin Stobie and directors Edward A. Bihari, Suresh Bihari, Richard Isafa, Carlton James, and Basil Mahadio, along with the then acting Chief Executive Officer Shalisa Shah and Catherine McLean. The Chief Magistrate said, based on the evidence provided, the High Court ordered for them to provide the information had not been breached. SOCU had moved to the High Court in an attempt to get the bank to provide investigators with information related to the movement of the $500 million. The High Court had issued an order instructing the company to provide the information. When the company failed to do so immediately, SOCU filed the contempt charges. During the initial hearing, attorney Nigel Hughes, who represented the 8 accused, told the court that the move to the court was nothing more than an abuse of prosecutorial power. He stated that his clients were following the court's order and had been granted an extension by the Chief Justice to turn over all the relevant information to the Special Organized Crime Unit. Further, Hughes stated that the order was handed over to SOCU, but the unit chose to not acknowledge it. He said the court ordered by the Chief Justice was directed to the bank and not necessarily its directors. SOCU is contending that the bank failed or stalled and gave all kinds of excuses, and even destroyed pertinent records relating to GRDB. For the evening news, Yanala Dalrymple.